everybody. So before I actually get into this video, I'd like to first start off by wishing each one of us a happy Women's Day. Let's sit back, take a moment and do a rewind of all the amazing and beautiful things that you and I have achieved in the past decade. I'm sure you're going to feel super proud about yourself. Hi, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Kesha Chima and I'm a fashion, beauty and a lifestyle blogger and also a YouTuber. I started my blog and this whole blogging journey precisely a year and a half ago. And today right now, as I sit in front of this camera and some way or the other talk to you guys, I'm super proud that I took this decision of leaving behind my successful career, quit my job and take up blogging, which is my passion, as a full-time career option. Right when I started blogging, when I was actually making this switch and I was sort of in between the transition period, I went up to my parents and told them that I want to pursue blogging as a full-time career. Well, if you guys know that the blogging community in India has recently picked up and is growing fast-paced, and that day is definitely not far away from when women and other young girls are going to choose blogging as a full-time career option. While there are thousands and millions, probably not even thousands, over millions of women out there who are working and literally slogging day in and day out to making the blogging community in India grow in leaps and bounds and become one of the most successful career options for the new-aged women in India. I'm literally sick and tired of actually watching news channels and reading newspapers where women are yet treated in today's generation as nothing but a notch lower than the men. But I'm not an expert in any other field that women are acing in, but I have done my research and I have definitely read that how the new-aged women in India are not just intelligent or confident, but they're super bold and independent and are ready to face all challenges and battle all odds head-on. And if I have to talk about blogging in India, well, let me lay slight emphasis on the fact that 90% of the blogging community in India consists of women bloggers. And besides that, the people who are the PR agencies also have mostly women-dominated employees. I know, feel good about it. We are actually the brains behind doing each and everything that you guys come back and read up on our blogs, whether it is any sort of brand dialogues or whether it is just sharing and being super confident and talking about our lives. It's a bold decision and we have chosen to be opinionated and come out and talk to you all and connect with other like-minded girls and women just like you. Well, I also want to share this, that all the women, not just bloggers, but also those super amazing talented bunch of PR professionals are in the age bracket of something between 18 to 55 years old. And trust me, all these girls really know how to balance not just their work life, but also their personal lives. While there are many bloggers in India like me who are married and who also have a job and who are also running a blog. Well, I kind of find myself lucky because I'm just dodging two things. But trust me when I say this, it might look all hunky-dory and fancy from the other side, but every girl working out here is literally someone who needs to be saluted for her efforts. We are the women of today's India who are opinionated, who have a bona fide attitude and are definitely not afraid of voicing up their opinion. Well, whoever said that women are stepping into the shoes of men? Well, not anymore. We all have our own career and something that we all women passionately enjoy doing, which is fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel and everything that you and I can relate to and probably think about. We have the power and the confidence and the strength to talk about it and share our voices and opinions with the world. Well, let's hope that this time we can come together and make blogging in India nothing but an even more stronger career option for all the younger girls out there who are looking at choosing on a career. So, I would just like to sum this video up again by thinking and being in awe of what all of us have achieved and each and everybody who's even a minuscule or tiniest part of this Indian blogging community. Let's join hands and get together this Women's Day to make this women-dominated career our own. And next time around, when everybody or anybody turns up and tells us that are we trying to be career-oriented women and be a notch higher than men? We're not trying to fit in any of their shoes. We are in our own shoes, and mind you, we're pretty comfortable with the high heels because we know that we can walk this stony path in them and ace it. Let's become successful. Let's be happy. Let's be positive. Let's represent the new aged Indian women. Happy Women's Day once again. Be proud of who you are. Be proud of what you are doing. And remember that it is definitely not difficult in today's generation to be a girl or a woman. We can battle all odds. We can fight all odds. And mind you, we are definitely acing this over and above anybody and everybody. Love you. Bye.